Hello and welcome to your tutorial on using Google Maps. You can always use the Google Maps that I give you as an example. So for an example up here, when you are looking, every day it says use one of the links that I provided or come up with your own. You do not have to use the links that I've given you. You can come up with wherever you want to go. It just needs to be on that continent. So if you go to this link here, you will see that there are different places that you can go explore along with some pictures that give you an idea of what they look like. If you click on that top link, that one is going to take you to a Google map of that location. And one of the things that I really hope that you do and have fun doing is using something called Google Street View. If you have never done this, it's like Google Earth. It's just a little bit more computer friendly. So down here on the bottom left, you'll see that there is this little tiny person in yellow. I'm going to grab that and then he's going to kind of hang on. Do you see him following me where I'm going? And once I grab him, you'll notice that on the map, there are blue lines and blue dots. If I drop my little guy somewhere on a blue line or a blue dot, it will immediately put me into something called Street View. You'll see what that is. So here I am. Now I can grab with my cursor and turn and look, and there we go. This is the Taj Mahal. And I can double click and it will bring me closer. And I can turn and double click again to look around. Now, if I say, hey, this looks really cool. I love what this looks like, but I want to get out of this. How do I get out of it? Up on the top left hand, there will be a little box that tells you where you are with a little back arrow. I'm going to click on the back arrow, and now it's going to bring me back out to map view. One of the things, I do this a lot because sometimes I like looking at what I'm looking at, but I also want to quickly get somewhere else. So then I can go back down to my right hand, grab my little person, and this time I want to see what it looks like outside of where I was, and I'm going to drop myself on a little dot. Now these little dots are a little bit different than the blue lines because these dots, I can't double click and move myself. So the dots are still pictures, and all I can do is just twist and turn to look around, but I cannot physically move my little creature. So if I want to get back, I click that back arrow and I'm back again. And I can do the same thing as many times as I want to wherever these lines are to see if there's something new to see. When we are using Google Maps, one of the things that you are going to do is you are going to click in the search Google Maps area. You're going to type in a location. So one of the locations that I am going to be typing in is the Taj Mahal, and that happens to be in India. And it will search for it. I click, as you can see right here. As you notice, something that's interesting is this actually popped up in Seattle. Now, I need to be really specific because I don't want to go to a place named after the Taj Mahal. I want to actually go to India. So I'm going to say Taj Mahal, and now I'm going to add the word India to my search. And let's see if that will help us find what we are looking for. There we go. Up here in the left, you can see a picture. This is a beautiful picture of what the Taj Mahal is. Let me know if you have any questions about how to use Google Street View or Google Maps during this challenge. And I hope you really enjoy exploring our amazing world.